In this lesson, we'll place two PHP files in our web root folder to make sure Apache and all services including MySQL and PHP are working correctly. In your Downloads folder, there are two files corresponding to this lesson: test.php and connect.php. Test.php contains a simple PHP script to output some text in your web browser. Connect.php contains a PHP script that will establish a connection to your MySQL server to make sure the service is running. Open your web root folder through the Want menu and place the test.php file and connect.php file into the folder. Now open your localhost page through the Want menu. In your web address bar, type in test.php after localhost. You should see the words "Hello World" displayed in your web browser's content area. This means PHP is running correctly. Now replace test.php with connect.php. You should now see the words "Connected successfully" appear in your web browser. This means that MySQL is running correctly.